Hey guys, to buy Tesla stocks, what you're gonna do, just go ahead to the Kraken wallet app and swipe left and hit stocks. And you're gonna see many stocks right here added by Kraken. Just hit Tesla right here, a TSLAX, short name for Tesla. And what you're gonna do, just hit buy at the bottom right. You're gonna buy with cash, or if you have some assets, like you have some funds, you can transfer to buy some Tesla. You can do that by selecting the second option. Okay, so I'm gonna buy fresh into the amount. Let's say 100 or 111, and select the payment method. In my case, I'm gonna use Apple Pay. Hit continue. And now what you're gonna do, just hit confirm, and the process of depositing your funds to Tesla will be done in a matter of minutes. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.